means the number one after another. Like if 2 is the number, the its consecutive number is 3. After that, consecutive number is like 4 and 5 are consecutive number. 100 and 101 are consecutive number. So these are consecutive number.
I understand.
If I ask you 3 consecutive number of 100, so it should be 101, 102, like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So as far as I remember, we have started with this assignment, which you can see on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so question number 5 we have completed. So let's proceed for question number 6. Which property of whole number is used in the following equation? Yes, Hirday, Ava and Samar, be ready with the answer.
Ma'am, can submit in?
Yeah, please, Samar.
Ma'am, assertive. No, ma'am, sorry. Commutative property of multiplication is the answer. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am, is the answer
Just
correct?
hold on. Whenever you speak, just give me 1 second to think and respond. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe I am struggling with something. Just wait for teacher. Yes, what is the name of property you are saying?
Ma'am, commutative property of multiplication.
Name is correct. So that is called commutative property of multiplication.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm going to restroom. Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Who is saying this? Who is saying this? Just name yourself. I will wait.
Samar.
Okay, Samarth, come fast. Okay, so in between, Hirday, be ready with B part.
And can I tell?
Yeah,
Ma'am, it is commutative property of addition. Ma'am, can I tell the next?
commutative property of addition. That is correct. So these 2 parts are completed. So I'm just erasing this 2. Let's proceed to question number 7. You have to estimate this difference by
Ma'am,
rounding
Samar got the answer.
off to the nearest thousands. Okay, Samar, explain it also.
Ma'am, if we need to round off to the thousands, we have to check the 100 digit, and if it is 5 or higher than 5, then we add 1 to the thousand, and if it is lower than 5, then we make every digit except the thousand digit 0. So, ma'am, it would be 9,000 minus 4,000, which would be 5,000.
Excellent, Samar.
Thank you, ma'am.
So firstly, we have to observe the 1 tens 100 place. You can see it is 8. So I have added 1. So it becomes 9,000. And here it is 0. So I have discarded all the digit. I make it 0. So it's come out to be 5,000. It is correct. So let's proceed to the next sum. Okay. You have to form the smallest and largest 7-digit number.
Can Hriday tell?
Yes, Hirday.
Ma'am, the smallest is 1, 1, 2, 4, 6. Mom, it is wrong.
Hirday, just check it again where you went wrong. I'm giving you second turn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I am correct. Ma'am, it is 102, 102, 4, 1026, 684, 689.
Correct.
And the largest is 9864201.
2. This is not largest.
Ma'am, can somebody tell? Ma'am, not this. 9864201.
You are wrong. Hirday, where you are doing it wrong. Just a minute, Samar. Let Hirday correct himself. That is why I'm saying him, you are wrong, Hirday. Just correct
I'm doing
yourself.
10. 10.
Yes, it is 10. Understand the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Hello, Tanmay.
Ma'am.
So write the following. We are doing Tanmay question number 9. You have to write them in Roman numeral. So you are 3. So
Ma'am, first Hriday.
first Hirday, second Samarth, third Tanmay.
Ma'am, ma'am, the first is L, X.
Who is saying this first one?
Ma'am,
No, Samar. See,
to you.
just a minute. Hold on. No need to run. Whenever the question comes, don't run.
No, ma'am, I have to tell you something else.
Just
Not the
hold on. Let us follow a way in class. And I have provided first part to Hirday, second part to Samarth, and third part to Tanmay. So all of
Okay,
you
ma'am,
be
I know
ready.
it. But ma'am, I have to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me what you want to
Ma'am,
say.
we have done this exercise. Ma'am,
Okay.
can I tell the first one? Ma'am,
Samarth?
because I remember I said B part IID.
Okay,
And
okay.
Manan corrected me.
Okay, okay. So that is completed. Can you just check? We have also done 12th question. Check it.
Ma'am, you have give us homework till 14.
Okay, okay. Great, great. Thank you, Samarth.
Welcome, ma'am.
So let's start from 15th question. और let's say मैं फिर जब मैंने homework दे दिया था, I just want to cross check question number 13 from you people. And you can see there are 3 parts, A, B, C. So let's follow the same pattern. First will be given to Hirday, second Samarth, third Tanmay. So every one of you be ready with your answer, then I will discuss.
Ma'am, my one which question?
C.
Okay. Ma'am, we are doing 14.
Question number 13. Can you see the tick mark here there? Why you are asking 14? 14 has 2 parts only and I have put the right mark.
Hriday, you have to answer the A part of 13. And can I answer the A part?
Just a minute here there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The answer will be 39700.
39700. How you have done this question? Do tell
Ma'am,
me.
first I multiplied 50 and 2.
Hmm?
Then the product will come 100.
Hmm?
And then I multiplied by 397 and the answer will come 39700.
It is correct. Very good, Hriday.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Samarth, are you ready with the B
Yes,
part?
ma'am. Ma'am, first we will multiply 4 by 25. It would be 100. And ma'am, 936 into 100 is 93600.
Very good, Samarth. It is again
Thank you,
correct.
ma'am.
Tanmay, are you ready with the C part?
Miss Tanmay is not ready. Can I tell?
No, Hriday, just wait for Tanmay to respond. Might be he's solving.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanmay.
the answer is 5,76,000.
5,76,000.
This
Very
is question of divisibility as solved by divisibility.
So how you have solved? Can you tell me?
I multiply both the numbers by 8.
Both the numbers by 8.
No, ma'am. 8 multiply 125. Then
Ma'am, I send you the answer in your personal chat.
plus. Then what the answer multiply by 576.
What is the answer you are getting after multiplication of 8 and 125?
One thousand.
You are correct. You are correct. Excellent. Excellent. Tanmay, I should say excellent to you. 8 into 125 is 1000. Then when you multiply 576 with 1000, you will get the correct answer. Excellent.
Ma'am, I send you before.
No problem, Hriday. It is correct. Don't worry. So let's move to question number 14. Tarun had a total of 79,690 mobile phones in his shop. 9,995 mobile phones were sold on a particular day. Find the numbers of mobile phone which is left in the shop. So how to do this question? If any one of you know the way, just raise your hand. Then I will ask you.
Yes, they know.
I am saying raise your hand. Don't say anything. Okay, Hriday, you tell me what is the way.
Yes, ma'am. First, you write total mobile phones in the shop. Total mobile phone in the shop equals to 79609.
Okay.
And 69. Okay. And ma'am, phones were sold on a particular day is equals to and we can also write on a particular day phone sold is equals to yes ma'am. Then we will minus 79690 minus 9995 and ma'am the answer will come 69695.
Ma'am,
Look at the paper.
69695.
69695.
Yes, ma'am.
You are correct. Very good. So whatever
Mom, can
is the,
submit till the payment?
just hold on, someone. So whatever is the number of phones in the shop that you need to write first, then the phone sold that you need to write. Now mobile phones left, so subtract them. Then you will be getting this answer 69,695. Okay, round the answer to the nearest 100.
Mom, can submit till.
Yes, Samad.
Mom, 69695. If we round it off to nearest 100, so we have to see the 10th place. And the 10th place is bigger than 5. So it would be 69,700.
Excellent, Samad. So
Thank you, ma'am.
as we have to round it off to 100, so we need to observe the tens place. Tens place is greater than 5, so we will be adding 1 to the next number. So it is making 69,700. So let's proceed to question number 15.
Mom, I
Yes,
have a doubt.
yeah.
Mom, if we write a number like 449, so if we round it off, then why do we get 400? Why don't we get 500? Mom,
Okay.
because 9 would be round off to make 4, 5, and then mom, 5 would be round off to make 4, 5.
Okay, just tell me what is your problem. 449. Is it?
Like mom, normally, if we have to round it off to hundreds in this number, we would say 400. And mom, but why don't we first round it off to tens and then round it off to hundreds? Then the answer would change.
Yeah. That then the answer will change. So what is the way? It will be explicitly written in the question that you have to round it off nearest to 100. So like 449, if I want to round it off to nearest 100, one's tens. So I have to look at the tens place. So if I look at tens place, it is less than 5. So I have to discard it. So nearest 100. So if you look on the number line, let's say this is 0. This is 400, this is 500, and this is 449. So 449 is nearest to which 100? So it is nearest to 400.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand, Samad? So the reason is like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to question number 15. I will be reading the question, and if you are ready with the answer, then just raise your hand. Okay. So a machine on an average manufactured 2,525 screws in a day. How many screws will it produce in the month of November 2017?
Mom, can submit and explain?
Yeah,
Can you
please.
tell?
Thank you, ma'am. Mom, first we would
Ma'am,
see that how much days does November have. It has
Okay.
30. So, mom, we would take 2525 into 3 and we would add 0 to it later on. So, mom, 3 5s are 15. And, mom, I'm telling you, but the answer is 7575. And, mom, then we would add a 0 to it. And the answer would be 75750.
You are correct, Samar. But the
Thank you, ma'am.
first
Yes, ma'am,
statement.
statement, let me tell.
Yeah.
Average screws manufactured per day is equal to 2525.
Number of screws manufactured
Yes, ma'am.
in a
In a
day.
day is equal to 2525.
Correct.
Total number of screws produced in month of November is equal to
Rather, you should add one more statement.
Yes, ma'am. We should add number of days in November is equal to 30.
Correct. Number of days in November is
And
equal
ma'am,
to
then
30.
final is total number of screws produced in November is equal to 2525 into 30, which is equal to 75750.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Total number of screws manufactured in November is equal to 2525 into 30. So it comes out to be 75,750. That is correct. So let's proceed to question number 16, and those who are ready with the answer, just raise your hand. I will choose who will answer the question. You cannot put your hand always raised. Just lower it down and then raise it so that I can know, yes, you know it. Okay, Tanmay, should I wait for you? Are you reading the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can wait for Tanmay.
Ma'am, we have to minus these. Ma'am, we have to minus the 79,690 from 9,995.
नहीं वो तो हम कर चुके हैं तन्मय. राइट नाउ वी आर ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. ये तो हमने कर लिया है. दैट आंसर इज गिवन बाय हृदय. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 हृदय हैज सॉल्व्ड. I am now asking you question number 16.
Ma'am, 16 is done by Samit and he is his hand also.
How much is smaller by 1
Speak
crore?
again, Samar.
Ma'am, Samit is ready with the answer. Can he tell?
No, just wait. Two hands are raised. Hriday hand is raised and Samarth hand is raised. But I am giving
Ma'am.
this question to Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay.
Ma'am, 1,000 smaller than this. I mean, this is 10 lakh. Only one we needed to make it crore.
Ma'am, I cannot understand what he is saying.
Tanmay, take your time, understand the question and do tell me. Hriday, can you explain?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
4356121.
Speak again, Hriday.
And the answer is 4356121.
You are correct. Tanmay, you want to say something how to solve?
ma'am, I don't understand how to solve.
Okay, so Hriday, can you explain how to solve this
Ma'am,
question?
Samit can explain. Okay, then you explain, Samit. Ma'am, should I explain?
Yeah.
Ma'am, first we have to subtract 5643879 from 1 crore. Ma'am,
1
should I tell the
crore
answer
means-
also?
Just a minute. 1 crore means 7 zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
minus 56 lakhs 43,879. So see, what is the
Yes, ma'am.
question? By how much is this smaller than 1 crore? So
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
to subtract. Yeah. What is
And
the
ma'am, the
answer?
answer is 43,56,121.
You are correct. So it is
Thank you, ma'am.
smaller. It is smaller than. It is the
Ma'am,
value.
how we find out?
We have to subtract this number from 1 crore. So on subtraction, see, Tanmay. So 1 crore means 7 zeros,
Yes, ma'am.
then 9, 7, 8, 3, 4, 6, 5. So when you subtract it, you will get 43,56,121 as your answer.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. Okay. So I'm reading the question number 17 and please lower your hand. Then I will ask you. Aisher School bagged ISA award for
What
28.
does ISA award mean?
I will confirm. ISA award for the year 2018-2021 for the efforts of complete Aisher family was praiseworthy. Nukkad Natak bicycle rally done during the event were uploaded on YouTube and they got 1,387 and 523 views respectively. Write both the number in Roman numeral.
Ma'am, Samrit knows the answer.
Ma'am, can
Okay, hit that. You tell one. Samarth, you
the
tell.
first one write the both number in Roman numerals are now 523 we will write as D 2x and 3 times 1. Yes, ma'am. And we will write 1387 as M and yes, ma'am. M 3 times C.
Not 3 times C.
Ma'am, 2.
Don't worry, never be in hurry.
Ma'am, so we can do 2 times L.
Ma'am, it should be 3 times C only.
Yes, ma'am. It triple C will make 300.
Yes,
need,
ma'am.
you need to move to 300. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should take C 2 times C.
No, ma'am. It's ma'am. Now M means 1000 and double C means 200.
Yes.
So we will write one more C.
अच्छा अच्छा ऐसे क्या करना चाहते हो? Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Then, ma'am, we will write.
to repeat होगा.
Ma'am, then we will write L. Ma'am, L. And ma'am, then L. And ma'am, then 3 times X. And ma'am, the 7 value. VII.
Ma'am, the answer can be like this also. M.
Hold on. Let me ask. Hold on just. Yes, now tell me. Tell me now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer can be like this also. MCCD
Yes, that is what I am telling at that time. You are correct. So both the
Ma'am, can I
ways.
check for the second?
Hold on. When we are discussing first question, let me finish. Let me explain it to everyone. Then I will read the second one. Then I will give you chance. Why I should explain it again and again? So see, in Roman numeral, so this can be two ways of doing 1387 MCCD. So D means 500. I can subtract 200. So 500 minus 200, that is making 300. Then 87. So you can use any of the number of your choice. So let's proceed to the B part. How many more viewers were there for Nukkad Natak? Write these answer also in Roman numeral. So if you are ready, just raise your hand. I will take your help. प्लीज रेडी विथ आंसर. ऐसा नहीं है मेरे साथ में नहीं करना है कि बोलते बोलते करना है. दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट वे.
Ma'am, I'm fully ready with the answer.
Okay, Samad, explain.
Ma'am, first if we subtract, then we would get 864. And ma'am, 864 is D 3 times C L X V I V. No, ma'am. L I V. Yes, ma'am, you have written it correct.
So why you seems to be in much hurry? I'm saying how many more viewers were there for Nukkad Natak. So you have to subtract this two. So you should say more viewers. For finding out the more viewers for Nukkad Natak, I have to subtract 1387 from like 523. So the answer is 864. Now I have converted it. D is 500 and I have to move to 800. So 600, 700, 800. Then 60. 60 is LX and 4. That is IV. Okay, so let's get ready. No hurries for question number 18. I am reading. Please lower your hand, then raise it up if you know. Aishar School organized a trip to Sangla Valley for students during summer break. 203 students went for the trip. On their way, they had dinner in Pinjore, where the dinner buffet charges were 450 per child. How much was the total bill for dinner? So whoever is ready, just raise your hand and explain it also. I don't want calculation to be done in front of me. You should be ready with the statement and every calculation. So take your time, no hurries.
Ma'am, just telling Samit is ready.
I can see your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now do tell me how you should do this question.
First, we have to write total number of students went to Sangla Valley is equal to 203 students.
Total number of students
Went to Sangla Valley is equal to 203 students.
203. Correct.
Cost of dinner is equal to 450 per child.
Cost of dinner per child is equal to rupees 450. Correct?
Total money charged is equal to 203 into 450.
Total bill for dinner is 203 into 450. You are
Ma'am,
correct.
can Tanmay tell answer?
203
Just a
into
minute. Samar, Tanmay do answer very less. So I'm very,
91,350.
so I'm very happy when I hear the voice of Tanmay. It
Mom, can I tell the answer for B part?
Just hold on, Samar. So it is correct. Now you tell me the answer for B part also.
Mom, me?
Samar.
Yes, mom. Mom, if we round off 91,350 to 1,000, we have to check the 100 digit. And if it is less than 5, it would be, it would get converted into 0. So the answer would be 91,000.
Excellent. So answer is 91,000. We need to check the 100 place. So 100 place is having 3. So we discard all, making it 000. So the correct answer is 91,000. Excellent.
Mom, it is coming. Meeting would be ended in less than 5 minutes.
Okay. So I will be just disconnecting and connecting again for the second half.